Katrina was always the first choice for this character. In fact, I wrote the script keeping her in mind. And the character of Zoya was also very appropriate for Katrina, not only in terms of her own personality, her physicality, but I mean, because I was writing Zoya's character keeping Katrina in mind, everything that Zoya does falls very naturally onto Katrina. And so in my mind there was never any doubt. There was never any other choice. I mean, for me it had to be Katrina. I think I was being a little presumptuous, but I guess because of my relationship with her since New York, I was more or less pretty confident that she will jump in this role.
It actually was a few months after the release of New York that he even spoke to me about this whole concept of Ekta Tiger. And he's been somebody who's been really close to me after New York. New York was an amazing experience for me. He was one of the first people who kind of really encouraged me to explore my own ideas and be a lot more confident and expressive and open on the film set. You can see that in certain areas that it's written by someone who knows me. And I think that's really, really nice when certain elements of yourself or certain small things of your personality can come in the script, and that can only happen when someone knows you very well. So I think I did see a bit of myself in maybe the way Zoya talks, certain mannerisms, certain things I did see myself in it, and I can see that Kabir wrote it with me in mind.
Zoya is sunlight. Zoya is someone who brings great beauty and warmth to the script the moment she walks in. Zoya का character जो था वो very interesting foil to Tiger, complementing Tiger at one level, contrasting also. जब मैं पहली बार यहाँ कटरीना से मिला तो मैं मन में सोचा अरे यही तो जोया है. It really helped us. It really helped me, of course. कबीर तो मित्र हैं उनके. वो किस तरह से बातें करेंगी, क्या सोचेंगी, कैसे मोहब्बत होगी. ये सब में काफ़ी हेल्प हुई.
The character of Zoya is again has a tremendous graph in this film because she begins as this student in Trinity College, and she's pretending to be Indian girl of British origin, and she's in Trinity College as part of the dance academy, and she's choreographing a play there. She looks her part when you see her on the campus of Trinity College on the streets of Dublin. She looks the part when you say that she's a dance academy student and she's choreographing a play. And when the dramatic twist in the film comes about and it's revealed that she's actually an agent of ISI, and then from there on how her personality and her character sort of makes this dramatic shift, I think she's done a brilliant job, and Katrina has been absolutely stunning in this character. Even in terms of the look and the physicality of the character, you can actually see a difference from this sort of girl in Trinity College to being this ISI agent when we see her in this international conference in the United Nations Foreign Ministers Conference in Istanbul.
I have designed the look of the film with a girl called Anushka. She used to work with Rocky S, who's mainly styled a lot of my films, most of my films. It's a very real kind of way of dressing, but at the same time, you don't want it to look boring. So I think it was just really about us dressing the girl how we saw it, and it was someone living in Ireland, and then you see in other foreign locations. So I thought it was really open to us doing whatever we wanted with the clothes.
And I remember those days when I was shooting with her, the Mashallah song. इनकी तबीयत इतनी ख़राब हो गई थी कि I thought ये song माशाल्लाह कहीं जानलेवा ना हो जाए. कि तबीयत इतनी ख़राब थी और धूल, मिट्टी, गर्मी के अंदर शूट कर रहे हैं. तबीयत ख़राब इतना बुरा, नज़ला मतलब कि ज़ुकाम, नाक, वायरस. तो ये 3 दिन उस वायरस से लड़ झगड़ के फाइट करके, ना कोई एंटीबायोटिक्स, ना कोई दवाई, कुछ नहीं. जिनमें एक पावर है, पता नहीं कहाँ से एक पावर आ जाता है इनमें, एक कि मैं नहीं, ये तो मैं करके दिखाऊंगी, ये तो मैं करूंगी.
That's why we give the left hand. Right. like she would not move till she has not finished her rehearsals. In fact, वो इतनी hyper हो जाती थी कि like you know I haven't rehearsed, I need to do this, I need time, I need 3 days, I need that. हालांकि she's able to do it a lot better, but still she would work so hard. You know, she's one of the most hardworking actresses we have, I think, today, and she really puts in a lot of effort into music and dance, especially. Sweat, heat, dust, exhaustion, dehydration, and you have this beautiful Katrina Kaif out there doing her moves. So when we did her portion, I think we really enjoyed doing every bit of it. You know, बहुत दिल से किया हुआ एक बोलते ना वैसा एक मौका मिला.
1, 2, 3, 4.